How does a CNC hexagonal wire mesh machine precisely weave raw steel wire into mesh panels for mass production? This video gives you a close-up look at the structure of this machine and how it performs in actual production. The payoff system is responsible for feeding coiled wire evenly and steadily to the weaving mechanism. The stability of the payoff tension directly determines the consistency of the subsequent mesh openings. The weaving mechanism is the core of the entire machine. It repeatedly twists the steel wires into a hexagonal pattern to form a regular mesh. The pulling and winding unit is responsible for smoothly feeding out the formed mesh sheets and automatically winding or cutting them to the set length. It is the CNC system that ensures these processes flow seamlessly. Hexagonal wire mesh has a wide range of applications, from livestock fencing to riverbank protection, and the extent to which the equipment can flexibly accommodate different mesh sizes and wire materials determines how large a market share can capture. We use machinery specializing in the R&D and production of CNC hexagonal wire mesh machines and Gabion mesh machines. We offer a full range of models and support customized production. If you are interested in hexagonal wire mesh machines or related equipment, please feel free to contact us at any time.